Oh, from Anthropology.
Alex. Alex.
Yeah.
So cute. They have my aunt had the cutest pair of my aunt had the cutest pair of pants. Like khaki pants. Alright, so we're gonna go take a shower.
Yeah? What's going on?
I'll see you later.
Yeah.
You wanna
We're going to
Alright.